Hi everyone, this is Stacy Cavalcanti. Today I'm doing my YouTube presentation on molecular gastronomy. What is molecular gastronomy? It's cocktails and ice spheres, caviar made of olive oil, and disappearing transparent raviolis. Sound cool? Well, these are all examples of molecular gastronomy, which is simply just physics and chemistry that come together to transform the taste and textures of food. The result? New and innovative dining experiences. As a matter of fact, the term molecular gastronomy refers to the scientific discipline that studies the physical and chemical processes that occur while cooking. And since we've been talking in class about chemicals and cellular breakdown and adding and breaking things up and changing things, I thought this might be a great opportunity to apply that same process to food. Food's always been a thing that I've loved to play with and I've always had fun with. Cooking is one of my hobbies. Did not realize that there was so much science behind it, but as I've taken this class, especially over the last couple of chapters, I realize, especially with molecular gastronomy, that it really does apply. So with this, there are just a tremendous number of possibilities. It's actually endless. The molecular experiments have resulted in new and innovative dishes such as hot gelatins, airs, faux caviar, spherical ravioli, crab ice cream, and olive oil spirals. The potential is enormous, and it really does revolutionize the traditional cooking that we've done in this country and worldwide, actually, as well as some dining experiences. It really elevates the dining experience and actually can create somewhat of a sensory experience when eating food that's made with this fashion. So here's a video below. Take a moment and just get an idea of what those endless possibilities might be. A lot of people ask with molecular gastronomy, is it safe? Well, while chemicals are used in molecular gastronomy, they're of biological origin. And although purified and some processed, the raw material origin are usually marine, plant, animal, or microbial. And if you look at the food that's out on our shelves today, the cellular structure of a lot of that food is also changed because it's genetically modified. So whether it's chickens getting antibiotics or, fed grain to speed them up, to make them fatter, to get to market faster, or our plants and fruits and vegetables being, shoved in a hothouse to really kind of race them to maturity to get them to market. I think that overall, if you look at what our options are, the molecular gastronomy really is a healthier, safer way to eat some of that food, since it's really non-genetically modified, despite the fact that we've used a couple of little scientific tools and tricks and trades to get the food to change its shape or its color, or in some cases even its taste. Essentially, like I said earlier, I think food is something that you should play with. I think that molecular gastronomy should be available to everyone. And so I'm going to leave you with a video on balsamic vinegar pearls. I love balsamic vinegar. I think a lot of us do on our salads, and this is something that's just a great thing to put on your salad. So if you have an opportunity to and you enjoy playing with your food, here's a recipe for you. I appreciate your time. Thanks so much.